In this video, you will learn how to fix Ryanair app not scanning your passport. Clean your camera lens. Make sure your phone's camera lens is clean and not smudged. This can interfere with the scanning process on the Ryanair app. Use good lighting. Move to a well-lit area. Avoid glares or shadows on your passport page when you're scanning. Lay the passport flat. Open the passport on the photo page and lay it flat on the plain surface to help the scanner detect the details clearly. Hold your phone steady. Keep your phone steady over the passport. Avoid shaking or sudden movements or moving too fast while the app tries to focus. Check the app's updates. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and make sure the Ryanair app is updated to the latest version. Restart the app or device. If the issue still continues, close and reopen the Ryanair app and restart your phone to clear any bugs. Enter the passport details manually. If your scanning still fails, tap the option to enter details manually, then type in your passport information. Now you know how to fix Ryanair app not scanning passport. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.